Today we will make a bracelet for Nure.
Yeah. And
Okay, what colors we want?
this.
Okay, give me.
And now this.
Wait.
And this.
Wait.
And this and this.
Okay.
I need not this one.
You want this?
And this. And this. And this. And this. And this. This.
You want this? You want all of this?
Yeah, I want this. And this. If white you put on it? Yes. Okay, then like. This.
What? Pink? Now what?
I want this.
Okay.
This.
Okay.
This.
Like pink? No, not like pink. And now we will add. Which one you want it between? Let's put
Out.
let's put this one.
Out and out.
Okay, that's one.
These cards.
Okay, wait. I will give you the stones. And now let's put the stones. Want this?
Thank you, Auntie, for making bracelet. Welcome.